This is Advocate Siddharth Jain with Lexis and Company. Today we will discuss about Memorandum of Association. So the formation of a company is a complex activity including many formalities and procedures. It has different stages. Promotion of a company, that is conceiving a business idea and taking the initiative to form a company. Giving the practical shape to the available business opportunity. Incorporation, that is promoters make an application to the registrar of companies of the state within which they plan to establish the registered office of the plan. And capital subscription, that is the public company can raise the required fund from the public using an issue of securities. In every stage of the formation of a company, there lies a set of documents and predefined procedure. It has to fulfill starting a business. Memorandum of Association is said to be the principal document of the company. In this document, the character of the company is mentioned. MOA describes the power, objective, and operations of the company. The company can undertake those activities written under MOA. It describes the boundaries beyond the actions of the company cannot exceed. MOA helps the shareholders and creditors interact and deal with the company. So before moving ahead, as a private limited company registration, it is important to know the exact business of the company and its limits. The boundary beyond which the company cannot take action and give an interview of the company's power and objective. In the case of a private limited company, an MOA is signed by at least two subscribers. However, in the case of a public limited company, an MOA is signed by 7 members. As per Section 2, subclause 56 of the Companies Act of 2013, memorandum means an original memorandum association that a company has registered, or it can be an altered one as per the rules laid down under the Companies Act. The form of MOA, as per Section 4 of the Companies Act, company shall form the MOA as specified below. Table A, form of a company having limited share. Table B, form of a company limited by guarantee that does not have a share capital. Thank you.